Kia ora, good morning, ata maria. It is Friday the 2nd of October, which means we are almost on the cusp of a Markets in a Minute anniversary. Yeah, should look into that. I might be able to leverage a celebratory coffee out of someone somewhere. Anyway, I'm Micro Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a Minute. Let's start with the Kiwi. The New Zealand dollar, it continued the choppy grind higher overnight. Yeah, 66.57 was the high. Just as a point of reference, we left it yesterday afternoon around 66.3, and it started the week, way back there, around 65.5. So, yeah, chipping higher. The Kiwi top relative currency performer of the past 24 hours, which means, yeah, all of the Kiwi crosses smidged to a touch higher this morning. What else are the currencies? Pound, sterling, most volatile performer. Some big swings there, but ultimately lower for the pound, higher the Kiwi pound. And that has to do with Brexit. So it's a long, complicated, technical story, and I am not the person to tell it. Yes, we'll plug some relevant links into firsthand, but short and sharp version, the UK have tabled legislation that would alter some components of their Brexit agreement with the EU. Sort of old news-ish. The EU, though, they announced overnight that they are not keen on the changes and have launched legal proceedings against the UK. So this is one of those things that could go on for years, take years to play out. But currency markets, they trade on headlines. You're not really a market where you dilly-dally to see how things will turn out down the road. Anyway, pound volatile is the moral of the story. Wider market, globally, equities, faint whiff of negativity, but the majority of the globe's major indices higher this morning. It's the start of a new quarter for the Northern Hemisphere, still the first back there, up there. So a bit of buying to rejig positionings likely playing a role. So too are hopes of US fiscal stimulus. Yeah, currently one side of the debate are talking 2.2 trillion, the other side are suggesting 1.6 trillion. So yeah, they're getting closer. What's $600 billion between friends? It's an insane, almost unfathomable amount of money. That's how we live in the world now, I guess. Yeah, anyway, hopes that something will be agreed are supporting equities and risk sentiment in general. Kiwi probably a beneficiary of that too, to an extent. Speaking of stimulus, but of the more local and monetary flavour, Mary Jo from Kiwi Economics is in a video here somewhere. You can see that, I hope. She is explaining what the RBNZ are looking at implementing. It's great. Yeah, you should click on it. Actually, just on that, in case you're wondering about the types of stimulus bandied around a lot, basically fiscal means government and monetary means central bank, more or less. Yeah. Okie dokie, I think that's about it, actually. US employment data, that is on the cards this evening. We'll have the tables in first hand that will have the numbers on expectations and prior readings for all of the assorted employment data series, if you're into that level of detail. If not, you can, just wait until Monday and watch me talk about it on YouTube to an iPhone at the morning in a room by myself. Yeah. Okay, have a great day, have a great weekend. Kia pai tora.